Good evening. Good evening in India and good morning from United States, Texas. আজকে প্লেনারি সেশনের আগে আমি আপনাদের জানাতে পারিনি। সো আই অ্যাটেন্ডেড প্লেনারি সেশন। সেখানে যেটা খুব ভালো লাগলো, the present Asian American Society of Nephrology president is an Indian, Dr. Pravir Roy Choudhury. And after his speech, it was followed by path-breaking clinical trials which showed effectiveness of new therapies in diabetic kidney disease, IgA nephropathy, new medicine in type 1 diabetes and kidney disease, and also autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease. So this was so far my journey since morning. Whole day is remaining. It's just ocean of knowledge and I have to pick up something from here. So bye everyone. Again, good evening.